Hello and welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing great while you're watching my videos, and I hope you like my videos. So today I'm gonna share with you this cake that I made for my niece's birthday. So it's a hazelnut cake with hazelnut buttercream. So first thing we're gonna make the cake. I have 200 grams of soft butter with 300 grams of sugar. I have 85 mils of oil, 60 grams of hazelnut butter. I bought this from Holland & Barry. So it's the crunchy one. I didn't find the soft one, like the smooth one, sorry. So first we're gonna mix them together in an electric mixer for a few minutes. So I'm just using like that, so just because it wasn't mixing properly with the tool, so I just thought I'll make it quicker to blend together. So it's going more smoothly now. So when it's become like that, we're gonna add 5 eggs one by one. Just scrub the sides so that it can all mix together. And I'm gonna add 300 grams of self-raising flour that I already sifted, and 3 tablespoons of milk. So and there you have it. Just mix it a little bit together, and then I have four molds that I'm gonna put in the cream. I already put the baking sheet on them and butter. So 180 on the oven for until they become cooked and golden brown. So just try to spread them evenly. You can use the weight if you want. I just using my eyes really. So for the cream I'm using 250 grams of mascarpone, and I have the rest of the hazelnut butter, about 2-3 tablespoons. I just used the rest of the jar. It was 170 grams I think altogether. So you just mix them together, and I'm gonna add 300 ml of double cream. You can also use butter if you want. So I'm gonna use this one just inside the cake. Outside I'm gonna put ganache. Just a little bit mix it until it mixes together properly, and then I'm gonna use it on a high speed. Finally I'm gonna add about 150 grams of icing sugar. Or depend on sweetness you like. So first layer of the cake, as you can see, I have my cream, I have nutella here. That's what I'm gonna add in the middle. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of cold milk, or you can use syrup as well. I'm gonna put a little bit of the cream on the first layer, and then I'm gonna make like a wheel in the middle, just so I can put Nutella. So I mean, you don't have to use Nutella. Any chocolate spread you can use, just, you know, Nutella and hazelnut to go together. So just with the spoon I'm gonna put a little bit in the middle and just level it up. And just keep going with my cakes until I finish all 4 of them. The same thing in each part. So I have those alphabet mold. So I'm gonna use it to write happy birthday Nadia. So just put chocolate, melted chocolate inside, left it on the freezer or the fridge until it's all ready to use, then I'll just use it on top of the cake. For the ganache I have 400 grams of dark chocolate, and I have 200 grams of hot cream, double cream. I also added, I mean, I thought I recorded it, but I didn't, 100 grams of butter, just to make it like more easier to spread. So as you can see, I'm gonna cover the whole cake. I did the first layer, and then I'm adding another layer, and then when it's completely cooled down, then I will add more layer, because the colder it gets, the ganache, the harder it gets and more spreadable. So just make sure you cover everything and it's all leveled up. So I'll put it in the fridge after until it's cooled down completely. Then I'm gonna add the last layer of the ganache. So you can see it's all cooled down now, and the ganache is more easier to spread now. So I'm just gonna do the last layer and just make sure that I cover every part and it's all leveled up. Just look in any side that is not leveled, or that doesn't have like the same amount of ganache. So I just make sure, because of the stencil I'm going to use in the end, it has to be leveled up. So after I put this in the freezer, not freezer, sorry, in the fridge to cool down completely, I'm gonna use the stencil in each side, this one. So I'm already done 3, so I'm just gonna add another one. So this is a metallic luster, is edible. So I'm just gonna put the place where I want to put the stencil. I'm just gonna hold it with a pin in both sides, and with a brush I'm gonna use the luster, edible lusters, to just put the color I want. I didn't want to cover the whole thing. I just thought, let me just do 4 in each, 1 in each side. Then I remove it and I left out with the design on the cake, as you can see. So I'm gonna remove any excess. I mean, it was lusters everywhere, glitter everywhere. I have the happy birthday chocolate. I'm gonna spread them with some red edible glitter, sorry. And then I'm gonna arrange them on the middle of the cake. So I did first on the side, and then I just try to adjust it in the middle, especially after I put the cream. So, and the leftover of the cream that I put inside the hazelnut cream, that's where I decorated the cake. Just put swirl around the cake, and the happy birthday will be in the middle. So after I put the cream all around it, I just adjust the happy birthday to be in the middle of the cake. And this is the final cake. I'm just gonna do a little bit of glitter, and there you have it, hazelnut cake. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching, and I will hope to see you again soon. Don't forget to share and like. Thank you. Bye.